I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. Look, this is gonna be like stupid easy. Like, I only need 8 offers, y'all. I only need 8 offers for $3. And I still have multiple redemptions counting for me. In the comments, are multiples counting for you or not? I know everybody, it's not, which sucks that they did it like that. But I'm actually surprised that it is still counting, which is awesome, right? So, with that being said, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl. Don't forget to make sure post notifications are on as well so you never miss a video. So listen, when I was at the gym this morning, more surveys popped up on Flavor Wiki. Really quick, a few of you guys want me to do a video on it, and I probably will. But it's super easy. It's a website, and you go and you sign up, and you make sure to check it every morning for new surveys. I say check it as early as you can. Like, I usually check when I'm at the gym. Okay, I go to the gym at 4 o'clock. I usually will check it. More surveys popped up this morning for granola bars. I was just like, I'm so granola barred out. Like, I'm so cereal barred out. Like, I was just like, what the hell I'm gonna do with all these damn bars? Well, I already told you I'm gonna donate them. And one of you guys suggested taking them to the school, and I was like, that's an awesome idea. So I'm gonna take probably the Nutri-Grain bars, because I think kids would probably eat those. Like, some of those kind bars, I don't know. If I was a little kid, I wouldn't be chewing on them. And my jaws were so sore on them damn kind bars, especially the ones with the almonds. I was just like, forever. And I only ate one, and that was the first one. All of the other ones, I just took a little nibble. I have so many surveys to do, y'all. It's not even funny. Like, yesterday I did 10. I said, at least I could do half. And then last night, what I did is I started just doing the survey up to the point where it asked me to take a picture, because I was already in bed. And then when I went to the gym, I did the same thing to the rest of them. So I finished all of them. Well, I didn't finish them, but I got them all up to that point where I have to take a picture, which is like literally like more than halfway through the survey. And so when I get home after this, I'll go and finish the surveys. But they're super tedious, especially if you have a ton. I probably will do a video on it, but like I said, it's super easy. Sometimes it takes about a week or so to get reimbursed. That's the only drawback, is that it's not as fast as a lot of the apps that we deal with. It's like that processing period, and it kind of just slows your money down and holds things up. But again, the sooner that you do your survey, like the buy try part, the faster it's going to move, obviously, right? And so with that being said, because my intro is already 4 minutes, and I know some of y'all say I talk too much, but it's okay, because there's this thing called a fast forward button, and you can even speed me up and make me talk even faster than I'm talking right now. And so other than that, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals we can grab this today. And so if you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys, so this first deal is on the Nora Rice Cups. They are in rollback for $1.98. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $3.96 out of pocket, get back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on ShopMe. Now, I did also get back 2 on Swagbucks, making them both free plus a $2.04 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Nature's Valley Sweet and Salty Nut, priced at $2.98, getting back $5.74 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $2.76 moneymaker. We also have the Nature Valley Fruit and Nut on rollback for $2.98, getting back $6.24 on Flavor Wiki, 50 cents on Fetch Reward, and it's going to make this a $3.76 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Nature Valley Savory Nut Crunch. It's on the Everything Bagel, priced at $2.98, getting back $5.74 from Flavor Wiki, 50 cents on Ibotta, and 50 cents on Swagbucks as well, making this a $3.76 moneymaker. All right, so the Made Good granola bars are priced at $3.96, getting back $6.74 on Flavor Wiki and $1 on Ibotta, making this a $3.78 moneymaker. All right, so the Cliff Kids protein chocolate chip bars are priced at $5.58. I did this deal yesterday, getting back $4.24 on Flavor Wiki. It popped up on Ibotta for $1.75, making this a 41-cent moneymaker. All right, so this deal is on the Great Value Sweet and Salty granola bars, priced at $1.64, getting back $5.97 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $4.33 moneymaker. All right, we're also going to be grabbing the peanut Sweet and Salty as well, priced at $3.93, getting back $5.09 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $1.16 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal was on the sparkling ice. They're on rollback for 97 cents. Literally only had one on the shelf. This coupon is still scanning. I went ahead and ordered another set that expire on the 20th, making these absolutely free. All right, so this next deal I wanted to try because I want to see if these IPs are going to scan. These are priced at $138. You got to grab 2 of them. Use this coupon scan perfectly fine, you guys. Makes these only 38 cents each. All right, so this next deal is on the Airwick Vibrant. It's priced at $7.33, getting back $4 on Ibotta. You're also going to get back $4 on ShopMeme as well. There is an offer on Walmart Cash too, so I will definitely be getting a second one for that. Making this a 67-cent moneymaker. Now, really quick, this other one over here, like over here, yes, that one there. This one is $6.98. It did work for Ibotta, but not for ShopMeme. And this one here did not scan for Ibotta, and so that's why I didn't get it. All right, next up is the Palmolive. All right, these are the small bottles priced at $1.30. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying, actually, you know what? I grabbed 4 of these. You're going to end up paying $5.20 out of pocket, getting back $4 on Swagbucks, and then 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40. It's going to make all of them free plus $1.20 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal, you guys, I was so excited about. It's on the Snuggle sheets. There are, I guess they're on rollback. I'm not sure if it's rollback or clearance. It's a 70 count, priced at 97 cents. I saw it as soon as I left the store. I ran back in. They had 3 boxes left. They were at the very top shelf. I had a guy bring them down for me. So you're going to grab one at 97 cents. You'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta, plus you'll get back 125 kicks on Shopkick, which is 50 cents. It'll make it a $1.03 moneymaker with a limit of 2. So the third one was a 53-cent moneymaker. All right, guys, we are almost done. If you are still watching, I want to see a soap emoji in the comments. So this deal is on the Dove cleansing bars, priced at $5.97. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $11.94, getting back $4 on Ibotta, $4 on Swagbucks, and $2 on ShopMe, making them only 97 cents each. All right, so this deal is on the Dove serum body washes. They are priced at $9.97. You want to grab 2. You'll pay $19.97, get back 8 on Ibotta, $7 on Swagbucks. Now, I also got the $4 offer as well, and then $4 on ShopMe. I'm making them both free plus a $3.06 moneymaker, which is awesome considering these are $10. All right, so last but not least is the Dove single bars, priced at $188, getting back 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $160, making these only 28 cents per bar. Now, I did try the trial size, and they did not scan for me. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. So I had to add in the brand club offers. I think I had how many? 2, 4, 6, 8. I had 9. I already did 3 of them. And so I'm sure I already popped those in with the deals that they correspond with. I think I did for Walmart Cash too was the Airwick, and I submitted it to Alexa. So it made that well, they're both money makers, so I figured, hey, why not? I still have a ton of surveys that I need to do, which I'll probably do after I finish this. But anyway, so everything here worked out good. I did have the coupons on the sparkling ice. They scanned perfectly fine. The first store that I went to, that particular cashier said they don't take printables no more, but I was just like, since when? And of course, they always say, oh, it's always been like that. I'm like, no, it hasn't. And so I didn't get the ones at that store, but when I went to the other store, I was able to use them without any problem. And I never have an issue using printables, but this was like, and this is actually probably the first time in a super duper long time that they've said, are denied my printable. And she didn't even scan them. She just said they can't take printables anymore, which I know a lot of you guys have said that, you know, your Walmarts don't take printables anymore either. And so I just want to mention that. What else did I want to say as far as this haul? That was basically it. That was the only coupons that I used. The cashier is back in electronics because, you know, the stores are so crowded because they have no self-checkout no more. So I've been paying in electronics and in cosmetics. And so he scanned my coupons. He's like, wow, these are only like 60 cents for 2. I said, yeah, it's a good deal, huh? He said, yeah, I should use these. You think these coupons will work again? The ones that I had handed him. And I said, no. He had folded them all up already. I was like, no, you don't want to do that. I said, I'll just give you some. I have some extra ones. So I gave them two. Yeah, don't do that. I said, and those, the ones I just gave you, you want to keep those in your register. She said, oh, thanks. Thanks for telling me. Okay, so I don't know who's training these people, but it's not Walmart. Really quick, let me mention something real quick. I did that Dove body wash deal. Now, when it comes to the offers on Swagbucks or the sister apps where they have an actual like offer, and then they have the manufacturer offers. I've never been lucky at getting the manufacturer offer to stack with the offer. And so it's more or less like I just try it and see if it works. So for that body wash and the Dove bars, the cleansing bars, I did submit the receipt first for the regular offers, the 7 back when you buy 2 and the 4 back when you buy 2. It went straight through. I resubmitted the receipt for the other offers, and it went into review. And when I got the email, it said that I was only going to get credit for the Nature Valley because I forgot to submit for that one as well. But when I went to my Swagbucks account, I actually did get credit for the Dove body wash. So I got back $4 for that, which was cool. So I made that a really awesome deal. Even though I didn't get back the 2 for the bar, I'm okay with that. But I just wanted to mention that. And then what else did I get extra back? The Nature Valley, I got back on Swagbucks. The Norris Rice, I got back on Swagbucks as well. When I submitted the receipt for Palmolive, it only gave me credit for 2. I put a ticket in and they gave me credit for the other 2. All right, so with that being said, everything you see here retails $84.48. I only had $4 in coupons for the sparkling ice. I got that because I really wanted to see if the coupon was going to scan y'all, and it did. Brought the out-of-pocket down to $80.48. The sales tax for this was $4.95. Why? I cannot talk today. The sales tax was $4.95, and then we walk away with Big Winner Chicken Dinner with flavor Wiki at $35.52. Runner-up was Ibotta at 27 cents. We got back $21.50 from Swagbucks, $12 from ShopMium, $5.04 from Shopkick, $5 from Frisbee. I did redeem another $5 gift card, which is awesome. This is my 3rd one, y'all. And I'm telling you, all you do is just scan your receipts. Just scan your receipts. I scan gas receipts. I scan fast food receipts. Of course, grocery. I scan all my receipts, to be honest. So $5 there. Brand Club was $4.45. Alexa was $4. Walmart Cash was $4. And Fetch Reward was 59 cents. I did have an offer for the Nature Valley with spend 5, get back 50 cents. And then, the Dove bar. I didn't know if this was going to scan or work for the Fetch Reward offer, and it did. So technically, if I grab another Dove Men Care product, I'll get back $6. So I'm going to try to do that before that rebate expires. So we walk away with a total of $119.10 in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus a $38.62 moneymaker, which is amazing considering we made $50 yesterday. Now, really quick on that, the Cliff bar, the Cliff Kids, that $175, I'm adding that to my haul yesterday because I didn't want to add that to this because I got it yesterday. And so, yeah, awesome haul here. Again, my sales tax was $4.95. So even after tax, we make $33.67, which is really, really awesome. Other than that, JoJo, what's your emoji, bear?
A ball.
A ball. What kind of ball?
Just a red one.
A red ball?
Yeah.
Like a red dot?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all heard him. A red dot ball. Other than that, I thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.